I have right now. Since 2017, she has played a vital role in our emeraldship journey. So we played together, we fought together, we ate together. You know, we did everything together for the past 3 months. So you can see my better half. It's like my Parvati. So Priya.
Yes, yes. Thank you so much, Ashwar. And thank you, everyone. Each and everyone, I thank you from my heart. And Manojji and Sangeeta ji, we have been learning a lot from you people. And not only Manojji, I just thought that these people are too much connected to spiritual thing like that. I thought, but I am seeing the whole team is like that. Uh, I think it's all his leadership, Manoj ji and all their leadership, Sangeeta ji and so ये बिजनेस छोटा बड़ा ये सब कुछ मुझे क्या पता चला इस बिजनेस बिजनेस में आने के बाद लाइक ये बिजनेस एक दूसरे से सीखने का बिजनेस है yes or no हम इस इतनी like when we were students we have came to know about many experiences like we have our mentors our applying coaches here Srinivas sir Balu sir Jengay sir Rashita madam everyone and Sumit sir and Tanya ma'am and this association helped us a lot to grow from inside so that helped us a lot in growing and showing our success and ये बिजनेस में 3 stages में बिल्ड करी थी एक पढ़ते समय लड़की as a girl I have built this opportunity and later on after getting married as a wife when I was a student then there were different challenges and there are also a few benefits when we were students yes or no there are our parents to take care of so we can freely build a business and one more there is also a challenge that ये लोग इतना इंजीनियरिंग करके ये बिजनेस पकड़ के कर रहे कुछ जॉब नहीं कर रहे जॉब आया तो भी छोड़ के ये बिजनेस पकड़ के ये साबुन ये सब कुछ बोलते थे वो सारा कमेंट्स आते थे घर में मेरी माँ आके सब लोग ऐसे बोल रहे अब क्यों ऐसे कर रहे बोल के बोलती थी वो रोती थी कुछ समय still we stood why because we got educated here and even we have educated our parents what we are going to achieve in this opportunity through this opportunity so that helped us a lot and our parents both our parents helped us a lot and when I became a wife that was a different stage then few responsibilities will be there right as a wife we will have few responsibilities to take care of like husband का देखभाल करना और घर में बड़े बुजुर्गों का देखभाल करना ये कुछ चीजें रहते थे वो न्यू सब्जेक्ट था मेरे लिए वो सीखती थी ये बिजनेस में I was very passionate then itself after getting into this opportunity I learned to hold both the things I can what is the beautiful thing is that I can be as a housewife and even I can build this opportunity very big time that's the most beautiful thing in this opportunity and today I am building this opportunity as a mother today we have a 6-month-old baby Vedya she's and थोड़ा challenges आए when my baby came into my life थोड़ा challenges आए meetings करने में family में कुछ चीजें hold करने में लेकिन I can thank many leaders in our team our uplines our team members why because I have seen them I have grown in this opportunity seeing them so lot of things I have catched शादी के पहले से ही कुछ चीजें सीखती थी like how these people are building this opportunity like married women लेटर ऑन कुछ लोग हैं हमारे टीम में जो छोटे छोटे बच्चे रहते थे ये लोग कैसे बिल्ड कर रहे बोल के आई यूज टू लर्न not from downlines not from I used to learn from everyone where I want which helped me to learn many things in my life and these are the things and मेरे हिसाब से विमेन के एस्पेक्ट में बात करी तो जिंदगी में दो चीज आई मीन बिजनेस या कुछ भी फील्ड में वो ग्रो करना चाहते हैं तो दो चीजें बहुत जरूरी है मेरे हिसाब से। एक है उनका सेफ्टी, वो घर में कैसे प्रोटेक्टेड फील करती है वैसा ही बाहर फील करना चाहिए, जिससे कोई भी फील्ड में वो काम करना चाहती है तो। और एक बात है, सेफ्टी बोले तो वो रेस्पेक्ट चाहिए, नॉट ओनली प्रोटेक्शन। इस बिजनेस में मैं अभी तक खड़ी हुई तो एक ही बड़ा कारण है, वो सेफ फीलिंग था, वो प्रोटेक्टेड फीलिंग था। जैसे मैं अपने फैमिली में फील करती हूँ, घर के अंदर फील करती हूँ, वैसे ही एसोसिएशन में भी फील करती थी मैं। वो बहुत बड़ी बात थी एक विमेन के हिसाब से बोली तो वो बहुत इम्पोर्टेंट चीज है। और एक बात है कि कोई भी फील्ड में वो काम करी तो कुछ बैरियर्स आते हैं वो औरत को ग्रो करने में, कुछ चीजें रोकती है, ये औरत है ये नहीं कर सकती, ऐसे कुछ चीजें उसको होल्ड ऑन करती है उधर। कुछ लोग, बहुत सारे लोग हैं जो रुक गए due to this gender reason. So here we don't have such thing, and here is opposite में 60% are women who are successfully building this. So that's the most beautiful thing, and these two barriers are not there here. And not only for women, किसी को भी एक फील्ड में ग्रो करना है तो उनको एक सपोर्ट चाहिए, वो गाइडेंस, वो मेंटरशिप चाहिए सक्सेस होने के लिए। सो हियर वी हैव दैट। आज हम अश्वंत और प्रियंका ऐसा है तो एक ही कारण है, हमारा गुरुस, नॉट ओनली वन। आप एक ही बात समझिए, एक बिजनेस में गए तो एक बाहर के वर्ल्ड में देखे तो मनी के एस्पेक्ट से बात करते हैं, यस और नो। इधर ऐसा नहीं रहता, आपको फैमिली के बारे में गाइडेंस मिलता है, फिनेंशियल थिंग में गाइडेंस मिलता है, और स्पेशली विमेन के लिए पॉजिटिव सपोर्ट रहता है। यहाँ पर बाहर की दुनिया में बहुत सारा नेगेटिव है, यस और नो, बट हियर आई नो एवरी ह्यूमन विल हैव चैलेंजेस, लाइफ इज अ चैलेंज, यस और नो। Definitely we will have challenges, but we need some people who will help us to overcome them, not to overload them, yes or no. So that's how I'm growing here. I'm so thankful for each everyone, and I can say to all the Brit Association, I'm very thankful to everyone. And one more thing is that हमारा बिजनेस में बहुत सारे कपल है, बहुत सारे सिंगल है, बहुत सारे सिंगल विमेन बिल कर रहे, बहुत सारे सिंगल जेंट्स बिल कर रहे। वो सब अश्वंत और प्रियंका को ऐसे देखते, ये लोग है हमारे लिए, ये लोग है हमारे लिए बोल के। वो बहुत बड़ी एसेट है हमारे लिए। हमारा घर, हमारा गाड़ी, हमारा प्रॉपर्टीज ये नहीं है हमारा एसेट। आज अश्वंत और प्रियंका का एसेट एक ही है, हमारा टीम, हमारा मेंटर्स का लव, हमारे टीम मेंबर्स का क्या बोलते हैं रेस्पेक्ट, वो हिंदी में क्या बोलते हैं, नमकम, वो ट्रस्ट होते ना, ये हमारा एसेट्स है। वो बहुत बड़ी चीज है। और मैं बड़ी जल्दी से क्लोज करती हूँ क्योंकि अश्वंत मुझसे बहुत बड़ा बात करते हैं। हमारा आज एक ही ड्रीम है, कमिंग बहुत सारे ड्रीम्स है, उसमें से बहुत इमोशनल ड्रीम है कि not only our baby girl, to all the coming generations, to all the young generations, we want to be the role model like Sumit sir and Tanya ma'am. So जब मैं पढ़ती थी हमारे कॉलेज में, हमारे स्कूल्स में पूछते हैं ना हमारे टीचर लोग, आपका रोल मॉडल कौन है बोल के, तब मुझे समझ में नहीं आती थी कौन है मेरा रोल मॉडल, गांधी को कैसे लूं मैं रोल मॉडल बना के, वो तो सारे कंट्री को फ्रीडम दिला दी, मैं कैसे कर सकती हूँ उनके जैसा, यस और नो। वो मदर टेरेसा, ये लोगों को वो बहुत बड़ा काम किया था, लेकिन मैं कैसे कर सकती हूँ उनकी तरह, यस और नो। बट आफ्टर कमिंग टू दिस अपॉर्चुनिटी आई गॉट माय रोल मॉडल्स, आई वांट टू बी लाइक तानिया मैम, like not in the sense of financial thing, like when I go to her closely, I feel like that I can feel her aura, that positive aura. I was I strongly remember when I came to Ahmedabad, I was very emotional at that moment. Why? Because I was completely filled with love in that association. मेरे मन में वो पूरा वो लव ही झलक रहा था. लव 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 वो दिखाते हैं ना, यंग लोग वो लव करे तो एक दूसरे को, वो उनको एक ही चीज दिखेगा, लव सिंबल, कहीं भी देखे तो. मुझे ऐसा लगा उस अहमदाबाद मीटिंग में. दैट वाज अ माइंड ब्लोइंग मीटिंग फॉर मी. And I thought then one dream came into my mind. Yes, uh, uh, this is the Priyanka I want in me. This is the loving person I want in me completely. मेरा एक ही गोल है, पर्सनल गोल है, ये पर्सनल ड्रीम है. हम लोग कभी ना कभी इस धरती से ऐसे हो जाएंगे. Yes or no? Before that, I want to be like my Vedya. She came here with a plain heart and plain mind. So I want to be like that. I want to become better and better. And ये बात आज मैं ऐसे बात पहली बार करी, बिकॉज क्या बोलते हैं, एक लीडर को प्रिपेयर करने के लिए कुछ भी कितना भी प्रिपेयर हो जाए, वो स्टेज होता है ना, वो पीपल उनके हिसाब से हमारे मुंह से बातें निकलती है. यस और नो? आई स्ट्रांगली बिलीव दैट. कभी भी मैं कुछ भी प्रिपेयर करती हूँ ना किसी भी मीटिंग के लिए, वो बातें कुछ भी, वो डेरे में कुछ भी लिखती हूँ, वो कुछ भी नहीं निकलता मेरे मुंह से. वो कुछ कोई बातें निकल जाती है. but I'm very happy to be here, to be associated with you people. And वो हमारे जनरेशंस के लिए हम तानिया मैम, स्मिथ सर जैसा रोल मॉडल बनना चाहते हैं. और हमारा मैं पर्सनली मेरा ऑरा चेंज करना चाहती हूँ इस बिजनेस के थ्रू. एंड ladies, I know everyone will have very big dreams. I know everyone is a fighter here. बहुत सारे challenges को face करते हैं हम लोग, फिर भी हम उठते हैं. ये बहुत बड़ी बात है हर एक औरत में. Yes or no? They are standing for their families. अश्वंत और मेरा एक ही ड्रीम है, लाइक विमेन को हमारे टीम में जब भी हम कोई मीटिंग नए लोगों के साथ करें तो वो लेडी को पूछे तो आप क्या करते हैं, बोलते मैं जस्ट हाउसवाइफ हूँ बोलती है. जस्ट अ हाउसवाइफ, इट्स नॉट दैट जस्ट राइट. हाउसवाइफ बोले तो बहुत बड़ा थिंग है. So no, Ashwant will talk about that. Like we will tell in our team, housewife is a very big job for which we are not getting paid. Yes or no? वो दुनिया के सारा दौलत दिया थे भी वो बहुत कम है. Why? Because we are building next generations. Yes or no? So हम औरत रह के भी ये बिजनेस को बहुत बड़ा बिल्ड कर सकते हैं. ये बहुत बड़ा प्लेटफॉर्म है हमें इंटरनली ग्रो करने के. अभिषेक जी और उनकी पार्टनर, मुझे उनका नाम, यस, अंजलि जी, वो लोग बता रहे थे वो इनर ग्रोथ का है. दिस इज ऑल अबाउट दैट फ्रेंड्स. एंड सभी लोगों को बताए तो ड्रीम्स ना, लाइक इमोशनल ड्रीम्स आर वेरी गुड, बट एजुकेशन के साथ वो डिसीजन, इमोशनल डिसीजन इज लाइक आज एक बात बोलती है, वो इमोशन चली गई तो नेक्स्ट डे किसी और डिसीजन आ जाएगा. यस और नो? वो एजुकेशन के साथ वो डिसीजन लेना बहुत जरूरी है. We are I'm not saying that we are perfect. We also have many things on our back. We need to correct them, but we have many people to look after, and we have many people to make us grow from inside. So this is the platform. Make use of that. And thank you so much for this opportunity, each and everyone, and Manoj ji and Sangeeta ji. Thank you so much. We will be very happy to be again here So thank you.
Absolutely, that was awesome. That was awesome. You can give a great clap for Priya. So even I got inspired, you know. She spoke so much and so beautiful, and yeah. So it's like this, guys. There are many things to discuss, but few things from my heart I want to just convey here, because what I have learned in my life so far, in this 9 years journey, I just want to share few things. And so every time life gives you a challenge, so you don't know what it is really, and every challenge has got an equal opportunity. Every challenge is equal to one opportunity. One challenge is equal to one opportunity. अगर आप आपका जिंदगी में कुछ ना कुछ चैलेंज है, तो दैट मीन्स आप जिंदा है. आप जब तक आप धरती पर रहेंगे ना, तब तक आपको चैलेंज रहेगा. वो तो इम्पोर्टेंट है, चैलेंज रहने इम्पोर्टेंट है, लेकिन छोटा चैलेंज या बड़ा चैलेंज क्या लेते हो आप? आई हैव डिसाइडेड टू टेक बिगर चैलेंजेस, बिकॉज एक ही बार आएंगे हमको, वो तो पता है. we come once, but we got to experience much beyond this thing which always our life longs for, so we want happiness. Everybody wants happiness. So I came to know through this journey that initially we feel like there will be happiness in getting money, in getting house, in getting beautiful wife, in getting kids. We think that कभी ना कभी एक के बाद एक के बाद एक के बाद एक के बाद एक, हम तो सेटिस्फाइड नहीं रहते. क्यों? मतलब हम एक चीज को नहीं चाह रहे, हम लोग एक अनलिमिटेड थिंग को चाह रहे. मतलब वी वांट अनलिमिटेड thing which we cannot experience until and unless we experience the lower class things, which I feel, all these material aspects we need to achieve as fast as possible. That's what my goal is. Whatever we feel like a beautiful life, if you feel like you want to become rich, you want to get good houses, good cars, good freedom from job, whatever, अभी आपको जो भी है आपके पहले गोल, वो पहले अचीव करने का, I wish you very good luck that you achieve them very fastly, because there are many things which are beyond that things. So to experience that, which I feel like it's a spirituality which मनोज जी हर एक बार वो आपको वो कनेक्शन के थ्रू ही बात करते, वो एक्सपीरियंस करने के लिए I feel like spirituality is a second floor. I learned through our mentors, lot of people. So if it is a second floor, first floor is a materialistic things. So I strongly feel only if you reach first floor, then you can get to second floor. So I heard somewhere from our guru, Sadhguru, I follow a lot. Sadhguru ji, he says one thing: spirituality is for people who are bored with good life. मतलब आप पहले गुड लाइफ से बोर हो जाना, मतलब आप गुड लाइफ पहले अचीव करना, उसके बाद स्पिरिचुअलिटी आपको टेस्ट आ जाएगा. इसीलिए आप पहले क्या करना, वो गुड लाइफ हमारा पहला टारगेट है, ग्रेट लाइफ हमारा सेकंड टारगेट है. ग्रेट लाइफ मतलब आई एम टॉकिंग अबाउट बियॉन्ड थिंग्स, बियॉन्ड मच बियॉन्ड. हम एक्सप्रेस भी नहीं कर सकते, हमको पता भी नहीं, बहुत सारे लोगों को पता भी नहीं. इसीलिए वो एक्सपीरियंस करने में हम पहले ये छोटे छोटे चीजें में अटक गए. मतलब फाइनेंशियल स्ट्रेस में, फैमिली स्ट्रेस में, हेल्थ स्ट्रेस में, ये पहले ये सुधारना है. हम लोग ये सारे चीजें को एडजस्ट करके वो सेटल करना है पहले. इसीलिए पहले हम हेल्थ को ठीक करना है, हम फैमिली को ठीक करना है, और फिनेंसेस को ठीक करना है. फिनेंसेस को ठीक करने में, हेल्थ को ठीक करने में, और फैमिली को ठीक करने में यही बिजनेस है, एक ही अपॉर्चुनिटी. आई स्ट्रांगली फेल्ट, बिकॉज I had lot of health challenges during this journey of getting stressed and lot of emotional disturbances. But I came to know through my journey that only with our mentors told. Sumit ji once in Ahmedabad, I asked, what are the two things I asked Sumit ji ko, what are the two things I want, you want me to change, sir? यही सवाल आप कभी भी आपको मेंटर से आप पूछना है, क्या चीज है वो इम्पोर्टेंट मेरे अंदर जो है वो चेंज करने का चीज क्या है. अगर आपको एक मेंटर से फेस टू फेस पूछे तो सर जी एक ही बात बोला, आप हेल्थ को थोड़ा सीरियसली लेना है. matlab you take care of your health, because I used to be like negligent, like I used to be crazily doing many things in the business and in and around. So it was not order, it was not with the discipline. Later on I realized, no, सर जी ने बोला मतलब यही सही है, पहले हेल्थ को ठीक करना है. So you take care of your health. Whatever yoga you do, meditate. We do yoga, we do meditation, we do walking. We associate with good mindset association, which I call Mastermind Alliance with BWW Education Program. We listen every day one CD. We read at least 15-20 minutes a day, and we associate with our mentors, coaches every day. We talk with them, and we build the business every day. So to take care of health, these are the things we do. And secondly, he told like you got to go grow big time in the business. वो कैसे करना है? क्योंकि how I started the business as a student, lot of people ask me even today, how can that such a young age, at 19 years of age, 20 years of platinum चले गए, founder platinum चले गए 21 years में. I started the business at 19, and I qualified as a founder platinum by the age of 21 within 2.5 years of starting the business. By the time I finished my engineering, I was a founder platinum in the business, which was a good achievement then, actually, So it was not a small thing. 21 years में 21%, that I used to remember. People used to call me 21 years, 21%. So it was out of passion, like Anjali ji ne bata rahe na, passion and mindset. Those are the two things which we have got early on in life. Secret of passion क्या है? क्यों passionate रहता? Passion एक ही दिन में नहीं आएगा, guys. You don't feel like calling people on day one. You got in the business, आज ही business में आए हैं, you feel like passionate, सब लोगों को फोन करेंगे, 2-3 जने को आप फोन करने के बाद आपका मोटिवेशन डाउन हो जाएगा, आप फिर पैशन पूरा क्या हो गया, वो पंचर हो जाएगा आपका पैशन का टायर. उसके बाद क्या है? पैशन का सीक्रेट क्या है? आप क्यों ये बिजनेस करना है, क्यों जिंदगी में क्या चाहिए आपको? We are talking about health, finance, family, freedom, debt-free life, impacting people, impacting many lives, living a life of freedom, traveling. What are your dreams? What is your passion? What is your purpose of life? अगर आपका पर्पस क्लियर है तो आप पैशन डिफॉल्ट हो जाएगा. अगर आप पैशनेट नहीं है, मतलब इसका मतलब है कि आपका पर्पस क्लियर नहीं है. मनोज जी भी यही बात कहते हैं, पर्पस क्लैरिटी हुए तो ही आपको पैशन ऑटोमेटिकली हो जाएगा. लेकिन पैशन एक ही दिन में नहीं आएगा, वो भी आपको समझ में आना है. पैशन comes over a period of time by facing lot of hardships and practicing daily. सचिन तेंदुलकर ने पहले दिन एक क्रिकेट बैट पकड़ के एक छक्का मारे तो, एक 4 रन मारे तो, एक सिक्सर मारे तो, उसी दिन उनको रियलाइज हुआ क्या यही मेरा जिंदगी है, यही मेरा पैशन है? नहीं. Over a period of time, he started playing, he started practicing. Then someday he realized that there is something in this bat for me. This bat is my life. So we also felt the same way. Initially, I spoke with many people. Many of my friends laughed at me. उन लोग हंसी मजाक कर रहे थे कॉलेज में, जैसे प्रिया ने बता रहे थे. They used to tease me like this Amway guy came to our college, soap guy came, Amway soap मैं लेता हूँ, ऐसा कमेंट लेते लड़की के पास. मतलब कॉलेज में सब लोग कैसा रहता है, आप सोचो वो एनवायरनमेंट में आप एक बार विजुअलाइज करो. आप क्लास में एंटर कर रहे. आई रिमेम्बर क्लियरली द सेम डे. One day I entered the classroom and I opened the door. Even there was teacher, there was lecturer doing the class, and one of our friends told, "Hey, Amway guy came." So it was used to be so embarrassing, lot of girls in the class used to look at me like this. Arey, what is this guy doing? What is selling soaps? But that was the only reason I take the business seriously that day, because I want to show that people that this guy is not going back. This guy is not stopping. वो उन लोगों की हंसी मजाक मेरी सक्सेस का एक स्टेपिंग स्टोन है. अगर उन लोग उस दिन, मेरा एक फ्रेंड है रवि तेजा, उनका नाम है, मैं बोल रहा हूँ, वो एक बहुत पेसिमिस्ट है, उन्हें बहुत नेगेटिव थिंकर है. Oh my God, oh my God. I never saw such a negative personality in my life so far. Even now, he speaks with me the same way. Ashwant, BMW आ गया वो दीवार में आप चिपकी हुई थी उस दिन BMW आ गया. अरे आते आते आप ऐसा ही आप आपका बात ही है BMW आने का फाउंडेशन. आप ऐसा ही बोलते रहो. मैं एक दिन BMW लेके आपके घर के पास आ जाऊंगा. आपको उसमें बैठा के एक अच्छा बहुत बड़ा म्यूजिक चला के हैदराबाद पूरा घुमाऊंगा. वही हमारा ड्रीम है. उस दिन मैंने आके लिख लिया मेरा ड्रीम बोर्ड में, एक ड्रीम चार्ट में, सेट अप माय फ्रेंड्स माउथ बाय बिकमिंग 21% and getting that 50,000 in my account. That was my initial dream. And 2012 March, I wrote the same dream on my yellow chart with a green marker, like Pankaj Ji, our upline diamond says, yellow chart with green marker creates a great impact. So वही बात बताया. I wrote the same dream that day onwards. That started the purpose in me. I used to look at that, array, shut up my friend's mouth. How can I shut up my friend's mouth? By becoming successful. So I got to grow. So उसी महीना I achieved silver producer level. I showed my that 48,458 rupees का मैसेज आते थे ना उस टाइम पे. वो मैसेज मैंने फ्रेंड को भेज दिया. देखो, you are the reason. Thank you for commenting on me. Thank you for laughing at me. Thank you each and everybody who laughed at us, who pulled us down, because those were the reasons which made us stronger to develop the business, not to quit the business. कई सारे लोग यही रीजन बनाते, मेरा फ्रेंड नहीं आ रहा, मेरा फ्रेंड हंस रहा मुझे मेरे ऊपर. क्यों आपका फ्रेंड आपका सेल्फ रेस्पेक्ट को उतना टच करने के बाद भी आपको बिजनेस करने का आइडिया नहीं आ रहा क्या? एक बार सोच. वो आपको बोल रहे आपका लेवल वो नहीं है बॉस, आपका लेवल यही है, आप नहीं कर सकते बोले तो वो आप मान रहे. मतलब आपका सेल्फ रेस्पेक्ट कहाँ है? आपका दिमाग कहाँ है? ये इंपॉर्टेंट चीज है. डोंट लेट एनीबॉडी स्टील योर ड्रीम. सब लोग सब कहते हैं, लेकिन एक ही बात, सब लोगों के लिए मेरी कान बंद है, लेकिन हमारे अपलाइन कोच के लिए ओपन है ना. सब लोगों की बात है ऐसा. हमारा हैदराबाद में एक रिवर है, मूसी रिवर, इसका पूरा ड्रेनेज वहां से ही चले जाते. अभी आजकल वो बहुत सारे फ्लड से बहुत क्या मतलब इट्स रनिंग लाइक एनीथिंग. सो सब लोगों की बात ऐसा मूसी रिवर जैसा लगता मुझे, इसीलिए मैंने कान बंद कर दी. लेकिन हमारे अपलाइन जब बोलते ना, दोनों कान एक विनायक जी जैसा, विनायक को गणपति जैसा हम इतना बड़ा रख के सुनते. क्योंकि मेरे अपलाइन एक ही बात बोला, श्रीनिवास सर जी, अगर आपको देख के, आपका पैशन को देख के, आपके काम को देख के कोई ना कोई हंस रहा बोले तो आप कुछ ना कुछ बड़ा कर रहे जिंदगी में, वही करना है. अगर आपके ऊपर कोई नहीं हंसा तो मैं, हमारा कॉलोनी में बहुत सारे लोग हैं, उन लोगों को आपके पास लेके आई विल मेक देम लाफ एट यू. ही टोल्ड मी द सेम थिंग. मतलब people must laugh at you. This is the first sign of success. First sign of success is people are laughing at you, people are ridiculing you, people are pulling you down. That means you are going to grow big time. Just don't lose the hope. Just you take your upline coach's hand. He will support you like anything. Upline mentors has great divine force behind them called God. So it comes from a divine entity, guys. Upline, you can go back to your upline. Who is there at the beginning? There is Richie DeVos. Where that Richie DeVos has started in the business, in his thought, in his mind, out of passion, out of dream. That dream, God gave him that dream. You don't choose dreams, guys. Dream chooses you. आप ड्रीम को चूज नहीं कर सकते, because many people, you just have to think one question. You ask only one question. इतने सारे लोगों को ये बिजनेस समझ में नहीं आ रहे. इसको यही क्वेश्चन को दूसरी तरीके से आप एनालाइज करना है. इतने सारे लोगों को समझ में नहीं आ रहे, मुझे क्यों समझ में आया? क्यों मैं क्यों अकेले, मुझको ही क्यों समझ में आया? अगर मुझको भी समझ में नहीं आए तो ये तो टेंशन नहीं है ना. लेकिन मुझको गॉड चूज किया है, ये बिजनेस आप ही एलिजिबल है. You are most eligible guy to build this business. He chose you to take this mission forward called making people free from everything. Not only finances, not only family obligations, not only health things. Many people are stuck with many things in their life. So our responsibility is to make them free using this opportunity. So this opportunity will definitely help us, guys. So that was my founder platinum journey. I broke a founder platinum, and thereafter I had qualified for Canada trip that time, but we, out of our sister's marriage, we dropped down. We had I know Manojji might be knowing this thing. We had certain regulatory challenges at our location. Our businesses were going like this and coming down, and going like this and coming down. It happens because up and downs are a sign of your aliveness. It's not a sign of your death. It's a sign of your life, because this is how the ECG should move. You will grow someday, you will come down someday. That coming down is called growth phase. मैंने सीख लिया वो coming down. God puts you down only to grow you bigger, better, because He is going to bless you bigger, better in the coming stages, in the coming next stages. I used to wonder, early on, like मैंने बहुत सोचते थे, अरे क्यों मुझे टीम नहीं आ रहे, सब लोग स्टूडेंट्स आ रहे जा रहे, आ रहे जा रहे, आ रहे जा रहे, अरे कहाँ जा रहे भाई, थोड़ी देर रुको ना. मैं तो एटलीस्ट सिल्वर प्रोड्यूसर तक तो रुको ना. I used to think, अरे they are coming, they are going, अरे just. So later I realized, so मेरी कंधे बोलते ना सर इसको, shoulder. So the strength in my shoulder was not so good that I could hold those people. So भगवान ने आपको स्ट्रगल दे रहा, मतलब आपका शोल्डर को और मजबूत दिलाने में टाइम दे रहा, क्योंकि he is making your shoulder bigger, better, more strength, with more strength, because you got to take many people on your shoulders. That means your shoulders must be on good strength. So God gives you challenges to make your shoulders like stronger. So that is what you got to feel. And I later realized I used to listen a lot of CDs, lot of books. Those helped me. And I used to fail a lot. This is my secret. Second secret of life is, first secret is ridicule and laughing, that people should laugh at you. Second thing is you got to fail faster. This I heard from Robert Kiyosaki. You got to grow. You got to read these books, Rich Dad, Poor Dad, 21st Century Business, many books. Is mindset. देखो B quadrant mindset हमको आना है. वो E quadrant mindset से, S quadrant mindset से हम B quadrant business कैसे build होता? मुझको तो कुछ mindset ही नहीं था, क्योंकि I was a student. I was not in E quadrant. I was not in S quadrant. That was a blessing. That was a curse. Because I did not have a mindset. How can I get a B quadrant mindset? At least employees have an employee mindset. So I got to get a mindset, then a B quadrant mindset. So it took me a little while. So now जो भी employee self-employed है, आप employee mind से business का काम नहीं चलता boss. You got to change it's like changing a country, like Robert Kiyosaki tells, it's not like changing your address in Amazon shipping. It's like changing your country. Country को आप अगर एक बार you come out of your country, you go into US, how do you feel? You feel like a stranger there. You are no man there. You got to learn each and everything. What is a dollar? How to pay the bills? How to pay everything? What is the language of these people? How these people think? How these people minds are? You got to adjust with the new country, new mindset. So getting into this business, why people freak out in the initial 90 days or initial year, first year? Why do people freak out? Because they have a old mindset and they want to build a B quadrant business. It's about building people, talking to people, connecting with people. You got to make a connectivity. You got to have a right communication. So these things are very much strange for us. हमको ये सारी चीज पता नहीं रहता. इसीलिए हमको ये business में we feel lot of backstep. But I only suggest you, how can we learn? What is the learning procedure? ये किताबें पढ़ के कोई ना. Did you learn anything? Did you learn swimming? Did you learn driving by reading books? Anybody? Or listening CDs? I don't think nobody has ever learned anything by reading or listening. People take this Brit Worldwide system, Brit Worldwide education system on a different note. that is definitely helpful, guys. It's like sharpening the knife, sharpening the saw. But what do you do with that sharpening? आप वो knife sharp करके क्या करते हैं? आप घर में रह के आप sharp ही करते क्या? आप जंगल में जाके वो क्या करते? लकड़ी को काट करना है ना? अब you got to cut the wood, then you make the sharpening. So sharpening is important, but more than that, you got to cut there. You got to go out and show. Now it's in the digital world. Going out is you need not go anywhere. You just go into your mobile. But where are you going in your mobile? Are you going to that YouTube unnecessary videos, or WhatsApp for the unnecessary chatting, or just making that unnecessary videos, photos, chatting, gossiping? Or what I do, I use Facebook for a different reason. I used to use Facebook and I stopped using since 2014. I realized that it is wasting my lot of time. I told Sumit ji also, you are doing the right thing. He told me. Now we are using the Facebook for our use, because in these years we came to know that how to use technology, how to use mind. अगर आपको आपकी खुद की दिमाग को मैनेज करने में आपको बहुत क्या बोलते डिफिकल्टी है, तो आप टेक्नोलॉजी को हैंडल नहीं कर सकते. टेक्नोलॉजी इज एन एक्सटेंशन ऑफ माइंड. टेक्नोलॉजी इज एन एक्सटेंशन ऑफ माइंड. अगर आपको पहले जब, इसीलिए हम लोग यही काम आपको सिखाते कैसे ये माइंडसेट को हैंडल करना है, क्योंकि अगर हम हमारे खुद का माइंड को हैंडल करें तो 60% of the problems will be solved. You will achieve whatever you want on a 60%. Main challenge is how to handle this mind. This wants to eat junk food. This wants to see junk. This wants to listen junk. But how to condition this for a better things for our upgradation? It's like teaching by failing only. Lot of people have a fear of failure, because they fear, like when I talk to people will say no. They ask a lot of questions. I used to face rejections. So you got to face rejection. That is the only thing. That is how only you learn. You got to move forward only by calling to people, facing the rejection, talking to upline, calling and coming back and talking to upline. Calling is for एक हाथ आपको अपलाइन को देना है, एक हाथ आपको. कबड्डी कैसे खेलते? कबड्डी दो हाथ से खेलते, इसलिए आउट हो जाते. या हमारा कबड्डी जैसा खेलते, हम हमारा टीम को एक हाथ दे के कबड्डी खेलते. यहाँ मतलब अगर आप जिसको भी आप टच करेंगे ना, उन्हें अगर आपको पुल करना है तो पीछे हमारा बहुत बड़ा टीम है, उनको उन लोग सारे लोग आपको पीछे पुल करेंगे. you are not out until you are in connection with your coach. कुछ लोग कबड्डी रियल टाइम कबड्डी खेलते, मतलब दो हाथ लोगों के साथ कबड्डी कबड्डी कबड्डी. उन सारे लोग को इनको लेके हमारे फ्लैट्स में, हैदराबाद फ्लैट्स में जाते ना, ऐसा लेके चले जाते. इन्हें गायब हो जाएगा 1-2 महीने में. कहा गया? मतलब उनका ब्रदर लेके गए, आउट किया. इसीलिए हमारा अपलाइन को एक हाथ पकड़ने से they are strong people, because I told you अपलाइन के मेरे पास क्या है, आपके पास सब कुछ रहते. मेरे पास माँ है, हमारे पास हमारा बिजनेस का माँ क्या है, हमारा अपलाइन है, हमारा मेंटर है. सो हमारे पास हमारा अपलाइन मेंटर से मतलब हमारे पास गॉड है. एक बहुत बड़ा पर्पस है इन लोगों के पास. इनका पर्पस अच्छा है, इसीलिए उन लोग स्ट्रांग है. आप जब तक आपका अपलाइन के साथ आप रहे तो यू विल नॉट फेल इन द बिजनेस. यू विल जस्ट क्विट इन द बिजनेस बिकॉज ऑफ यूर listening to that negative people outside. So don't listen to any negative people. Just use the technology in the right way right now in this technology world. But पहले आप माइंड को कैसा हैंडल करना, पहले वो सीडीज, बुक्स, ये सारे डेली हैबिट्स रखो. डेली वी लिसन सीडीज. It's not easy though this, because I used to watch lot of YouTube videos, lot of stuff. Those changing to our bit worldwide, it's not so easy. क्योंकि अगर देखो एक अच्छे मतलब अच्छे खाना यहाँ राइट साइड एक अच्छा फ्रूट, अच्छा वेजिटेबल सलाद आपको रखा, तो फंक्शन में देखो, कभी ना कभी फंक्शन में जाते ना हम लोग, पहले क्या रखते? सलाद रखते, फाइबर फूड सब, बीट रूट, खीरा, सब लोग वहां रखते. वो हेल्दी चीज है. लेकिन सब लोग क्या क्या खाते बाद में, जब हम वेस्ट में गार्बेज बिन में डालते ना, वहां हम स्वीट्स वो सब नहीं डालते, ये खाली ये सलाद डालते। देखो ज्यादा से ज्यादा लोग, मतलब हेल्दी फूड इज नॉट एक्साइटिंग, दिस वी मस्ट गेट इट। Healthy thoughts, healthy knowledge is not exciting, but if you start making a habit, it will start from day one. You start eating one keera today, not that you need to eat 10 keeras every day. Just start eating one keera today, one keera tomorrow. Someday you will make a habit that you can eat keera just like that, because it has become a habit. Now you no longer like junk food, you only like organic food, good food. This is how my food pattern changed over this period of time for the past 7-8 years. I completely avoided non-veg, I completely avoided junk food, I only eat good food. But initially I used to eat like anything. Just like, I'm just giving you an example of how to change our habits. Without changing our habits, we cannot change our destiny, guys. Habits are the foundation. To develop that strong habits, we have our in our organization we create that habit by making, for the first 30 days we ask people to read daily, listen daily, read daily, listen daily. Only then you go out after 30 days, talk to people, come back to us, talk to people, come back to us. Because I told you, right, kabaddi, talk to people and go out. It's not that, talk to people and come back. What did you talk? What is their response? What did they tell you? Is there anything that we can make in your script? Is there anything that we can make in your conversations? Can you make any corrections in your conversation? What is the objection they had? How did you respond? So have you read sufficient? Have you listened sufficient CDs before talking? So are you talking to people on a daily basis? At least 1-2 people are you talking regularly for the new people? So these are the habits which will make you stronger. And I already told you, failing faster is the second thing. Without failing, you won't succeed in the business. You got to fail, but you got to fail faster. One person doing 30 conversations in 1 month fails very much than one person doing one conversation every month. Who has a better chance of winning? The better chance of winning is the better person who is failing many times. So if you fail many times, that means the chances of your success naturally get higher. But while you are failing, take note, while you are failing, come back to your coach, make adjustments. Come back to your coach, make adjustments. Listen to CD, make adjustments. Read the book and make adjustments. Work and CD, book and upline are for like direction, guys. Those people steer the wheel of steering will be there in your car, right? Those people will changing the steering, just like direction. But ultimately you got to take the brake, you got to take the race, everything that's in your hands. You got to drive the vehicle. Those people are just there to make your slight adjustment towards your destination. They will make certain adjustments, that's it. So don't rely too much on the system, don't rely too much on the upline. It's you that has to fail, it's you that has to grow, it's you that has to win. Take absolute responsibility that this business is my business. My upline quit the business after 3 months of my joining into the business. My upline was nowhere in the business. But I took the business seriously because it's my business, my future, my life. I wanted to impact many people through this, my story, and I wanted to face every struggle that God is giving now, even today. Because I want to grow big time. That's how I want to grow better, and that's what I want to achieve success. Then I can become an inspiration. Success without what you call challenges is a victory. Success with challenges is a history. We got to make into a history with a lot of challenges. Challenges are the signboards that you are on your path to diamond. That means you are on a right track. Just you grow big time, but there is a always guided person beside you called your lifetime partner, like a wife, like mother, father, like your coach. You know, I can speak anything about my coach. Today, whatever Ashwant and Priyanka is today is because of our life is a sum total of our upline's experiences, upline's times, upline effort, upline wisdom. If you add everything, that becomes our product. Ashwant and Priyanka is just a product. So our marriage happened only because of our upline coaches. Because when our upline coaches sit together that this will be a right match, you can go ahead. Without approval, we did not do anything, guys. It's completely legal, ethical, honest marriage that we had done. So because in the system there might be a chances of many wrongdoings also, because we follow cardinal rules strictly. We do everything with the approval of our upline coaches. There are many uplines behind our life, our marriage, our family, our health, our success. So I credit all those things to them, but it's ultimately uh, we and our team which stayed persistent. Your team will stay with you only if you are persistent, if you are consistent on your words, on your activities, on your work ethic. If you are one day excited, one day demotivated, one day excited, one day demotivated, one day excited dialogue, second day demotivated dialogue, second day, third day neutral dialogue, this will not make a good leader. This will not make a good influence on your team. That might make them to leave the organization. That is the reason you stay consistent on your dream, persistent on your dream. I heard Bill Britt say this very strongly, and I did not realize this important thing. I used to think, right, self-image. The self-image ki baat jab hote hai na, I think I am talking completely in English. I switched over to English somewhere. So sorry. So Hindi, it's like a new thing, because I am failing in Hindi. I told you, right? I want to fail in Hindi because I want to grow in Hindi. I want to succeed in Hindi. This is an example. So I did not know Hindi. मतलब मुझे हिंदी पहले बिजनेस के पहले कुछ नहीं आते थे. So my Hindi was so poor that in my 10th standard, lot of my friends laughed at my answer paper, Hindi answer paper. They laughed like anything. So I wrote something that बिल्ली में एक कमरे को रख के, मतलब I wrote something that made a hell out of laughing, So but I am just champion. I am a fighter. I don't leave things just like that. I fail. I want to fail because उसके बाद ही success ही है. So people who fear failure are inevitable for death, because where there is risk, there is life. अगर आपको रिस्क लेने की एटीट्यूड नहीं है, मतलब आपका अंदर लाइवलीनेस नहीं है, आपका अंदर सारे सेल्स डेथ हो गया. अगर आपको एक अच्छा रिस्क है तो वहां आपको रिस्क लेने के मन है तो यू आर अलाइव, यू वांट टू टेक चांसेस, because this is one life. You want to take chances, you want to grow big time. So you got to fail faster. Many times you got to fail, whatever the things, maybe CDs, maybe books, maybe talking to people, maybe showing the plan, maybe dealing with people. It's all about failing. But there is one day you will succeed big time. Our marriage happened only because of our upline, I told you, but Priya came into our life just like a blessing. Before that, my mother and father, our hidden support, those are the real secret weapons I had earlier. Even now, those blessings paved us this emeraldship in our life, both the mother and father, like Priya's and ours. So those people stood very strong behind us. So those people believed in us that we can create big things in our life, staying in India, not going to US and achieving big things. And we are just getting started. And lastly, I want you to I was just reading the book Think and Grow Rich for the third time. I heard Bob Proctor, the author of Secret, told me one thing, that he was reading this book since 1963. He had the same edition of the book Think and Grow Rich. So this is the book he had since 1960. The Law of Attraction Secret book was born out of this book. This book is the mother of Secret. So he had this book and he told he's been reading this book for the past 60 years. एक आदमी इतना बड़ा सक्सेसफुल आदमी ये बिजनेस ये बुक में 60 इयर्स से पढ़ने का क्या है, इसमें रिपीटेडली पढ़ने का क्या है, मतलब कुछ तो रहता. इसीलिए I was reading the book third time. There are many things I recommend this book, guys. You just read this book over and again, but only reading doesn't help. You got to fight, you got to call, you got to show the plan, you got to face the rejection, you got to build teams, you got to fail every step. With that you read, then you're on the right path for your diamondship. And we are just getting started, guys. So this book had many things I wanted to discuss, like desire, planning, action, faith. Everything is covered in this thing. Mastermind Alliance. don't miss the meeting. This is a important point I wanted to tell you. Don't miss the meeting, guys. Never miss a meeting. So build this business on momentum. This business only builds on momentum. मोमेंटम नहीं है बिजनेस नहीं बिल्ड होगा. ये बिजनेस मोमेंटम के साथ ही बिल्ड होता. सो मोमेंटम कैसा बिल्ड करना, पहले यू फिल योर टैंक, ओनली देन इट विल स्पिल. मतलब यू रीड लॉट ऑफ थिंग्स, लिसन लॉट ऑफ सीडीज, associate every meeting and talk to many people every day. Take a goal of talking to many people. Have a goal of going eagle, double eagle, 6 legs, 12 legs, ruby. Ruby is what we always aim. Our goal is to create 100 rubies in the coming 2 to 5 years in our organization and make them financially free, because ruby is the real freedom, not emerald, not diamond. Ruby. I'm just telling you ruby. Only then ruby, after diamond. So here you have a great example. Like Abhishek ji, Anjali ji, you broke a brand new ruby. You can ask him the income he made and the structure he had and the lifestyle he is going to get in the coming 2 years. He will be going diamond. That is a shortcut to diamond is ruby. So we believe in ruby. You go ruby, you make people free and make them realize the real essence of life through this opportunity. We are with you. Everybody is with you. Your upline coaches and mentors are with you. Manoj ji, he is like Priya was telling, like we felt like I was like, where did I come in that Ahmedabad meeting? That 30-40 minutes, sir, you spoke. I don't know how many people have got impacted. Ashwant and Priyanka got deep impact from your talk. We never forget that talk, that we were like in some different world altogether. हम लोग कुछ और दुनिया में चले गए उनकी बात सुन के. कहाँ गए हम लोग? कहाँ नहीं गए हम लोग, अंदर चले गए, हमारा खुद के अंदर चले गए. He makes you think deeper, go deeper, because that is where the true wealth, true happiness is really. You just go inside, not go outside. Go inside to achieve success outside. All the best, guys. Thank you for inviting Manoj ji, and we proud of all the leaders. Thank you very much, Manoj ji. We are absolutely grateful for your blessings. Thank you. And for giving this great opportunity. Thank you very much.
बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद यशवंत जी. और मैं इतना ही कह सकता हूं कि आपने रियली इस बिजनेस की गहराई से को समझा है, उसको जिया है, और जिस तरह से आपने आज अपना विजडम पूरी ऑर्गेनाइजेशन में, हमारी ऑर्गेनाइजेशन में बिखेरा है. बहुत लोग डिसीजन बनाएंगे, और इतनी कम एज में आपने इतनी गहरी विजडम, मैंने भी कई नोट्स बनाए अभी, और कई बातें मैं वॉच कर रहा था आपको, और ये निश्चित रूप से बहुत बड़ी ब्लेसिंग है आपके पास. और इस एज में जहां आदमी लाइफ को लेकर बिल्कुल सीरियस नहीं होता, अपने खुद की लाइफ को लेकर के आपके पास ये मकसद है, पर्पस है कि सैकड़ों हजारों लोगों को फ्री करना है लाइफ में, उनकी लाइफ में वैल्यू एड करना है. प्रियंका जी ने भी आज पूरा दिल खोल करके अपनी सारी बातें बताई, और उन्होंने बिल्कुल सही बोला, कितना ही नोट्स बना लो, जो दिल में होता है वो निकल जाता है. एंड दैट वाज द वंडरफुल की सारी बातें आप लोगों ने दिल से की. एंड द बेस्ट पार्ट जो उन्होंने बोला कि एट द एंड ऑफ लाइफ मैं अपनी बेबी की जैसा होना चाहूंगी. यही लाइफ की सबसे बड़ी डिस्कवरी है, ब्यूटी है. हम लोग बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद आपको देते हैं कि आज अपना कीमती समय आप निकाल कर